Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super simple step-by-step guide on how to export your data from Hubspot in under a minute. Whether you're backing up contacts, analyzing leads, or moving data to another platform, this guide will make the process effortless. So let's dive in. First, open your browser and go to the Hubspot homepage. Click the login button at the top right corner and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the Hubspot dashboard, your central hub for managing contacts, deals, and more. Next, locate the CRM section in the main navigation bar and click on it. From the drop-down, select Contacts. This is where all your contact information is stored, ready to be exported. Inside the Contacts section, look for the Export button on the toolbar. Click it, and this will open the Export Options window, where you can choose exactly how you want your data to be exported. HubSpot lets you select different file formats for your export. The most common options are CSV or XLSX. I recommend XLSX as it's fully compatible with programs like Microsoft Excel and keeps your data clean and organized. Once you've chosen your preferred format, click the Final Export button. HubSpot will process your request and your data will begin downloading. Depending on the size of your dataset, this may take a few seconds to a few minutes, and that's it. You've successfully exported your contacts from HubSpot. Now you can safely back up your data, analyze it, or import it into another platform. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a quick and easy tutorial like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.